Hey friends, welcome back to the Codis Hub. So today we are going to solve another JavaScript algorithm, which is the two-sum algorithm. This is the most commonly asked JavaScript interview question, as this interview question is also listed in Lead Code. If you don't have any idea about Lead Code, I will surely share the link in my description of Lead Code. On the Lead Code, you can also solve the different JavaScript algorithms and can strong your logic building by solving the algorithm on the basic level and intermediate level and advanced level. Now let's discuss over two sum problem here. So the algorithm we need to write is we have to find that two number from the array whose sum will be equal to the target value. So in the algorithm, in the function, we have to return the indexes of that two numbers. Let's find out that two number whose sum will be 7. The 2 and 5 will be equal to 7. So the output will be 0 and 2 because the index of 2 is 0 and the index of 5 is 2. That's why the output will be 0 and 2. As we can solve this algorithm with two approaches, with the brute force approach and an optimized approach. So if we will solve it with the brute force approach, the complexity of this algorithm will be omega n square. So we have to write an efficient algorithm whose complexity will be omega n. Let's say I have a function named as toSum taking two argument nums, that is a integer array, and the target value, that is 7. In the brute force approach, let's start. So as I said, we need two loops here. The first loop I will start to 0, I less than. The purpose of this loop, it will pick the number. So I have to start the inner loop from the next index from the outer loop. It will also go up to num's length. After that, I will compare nums of I. The previous index will add in the next index. Next index will get from the j, that is I plus 1. If the sum of both equal to the target value, then return the indexes. So the first index will be I and the second index will be j. Let's run the code. We are getting 0 and if I change the target value as 9, I should get 0 and 1, as 2 plus 7 equal to 9. I didn't save the code. Here it is. I am getting 0 and 1. Now let's optimize this approach, whose complexity is omega n square, with the hash map. In the JavaScript, the hash map is can simply called as map, where we can store the values in the pair form. 0 1 1 0 2 0. For solving this algorithm only with only one loop, we have to create a hash map where we will store the indexes and the number. This is the key and this is the value. So we will store the number as a key and the index is will be the value. First we will create a map, hash map, iterate over the array. So we will use only one loop here. What is the logic we will follow to find the target indexes? So in the hash map, this is the main logic we have to build here in the loop. We will iterate over the array once, so we will have the current number. If we subtract our current number from the target number, we can get over the second index number. So let's find the complement. Target minus nums of I. So nums of I is the current number. After that, we need to check in the if we already have that complement number in our hash map. It's mean we have got our pair already. Then just need to return the indexes. So I am using the hash method of map. Of checking is complement is already in the map or hash map or not. If yes, then just return map.get, return that pair. So with the help of get method, I will return this. So I will be the current number. This number is not already in map. We will set our current number in the hash map. The first will be the key and the second will be the value. So our key will be the number and the value will be the index. So I just return the empty array. Let's test it out. So here you can see the output is same. If I say is 6 and I will 4, 3 and 3, okay. 1, the output should be 1 and 2. So the output is 1 and 2. So this approach is optimized as it is using only one loop, and we are maybe making a hash map and just finding the target number. But in the previous method we are using two loops, and we were iterating over an extra loop, which were increasing over time complexity in the algorithm. Now the time complexity of this algorithm is omega n. If this helped even a little, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with the next problem you had like me to solve. So in the next video I will come with another algorithm that is mostly asked in the JavaScript interview questions.